So this has been a pain in the butt. This one is the one I left in there, thinking I can get that thing to slip back over. That was a joke. So I had to knock it out. So we're gonna knock it out, get it cleaned up. We're gonna get inside here kind of lubed up, cleaned, and set myself up like we did for the other side. And then we'll get the new ball joint on this one. And once that's bolted in, then we will put the springs in. Well, I'll put the knuckles on one side, on one bottom one, or the top one.
Put it on top, and then we'll put the springs, and we'll use the jack and run it up.
Yeah, what that guy said over there.
Let me just finish putting this in.
So,
you want to cover this real quick?
what are you doing?
So.
Oh, I know we had a binding issue. And
When we were rolling the car, it would have a weird bind. So. Oh, I gotta be careful because I have the plug open still. But, yeah, so we'd have a weird bind. We found what our bind was. We took the drive shaft off, and magically we had no more bind.
on either side.
Yeah, so we lifted the yoke here, and the yoke that came on this third member was about an inch shorter than the yoke that's on the original one. So we swapped them, and now when the car's got load on it, it won't have any more bind. I mean, it's got a little bind now with the suspension fully drooped, but it'll be fine once it's on the ground. It won't bind.
And we're still waiting on our pads?
Yep, they're going to be here this afternoon.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yep, I told them I need them before I go home.
Yeah, all right, cool. All right, well, I'm gonna throw this control arm in and get an update on that.
Do it. I'll be right there to help you as soon as I finish with the diff back here.
You have fun with that. Later.
No, not really.